Myself, Dhananjay Kumar Pandey, and at present I'm working with a company called Curriculum Associates. It's based out of US, and I work there. I manage things, the entire agile delivery, the product side, the data side of it, and that's how the day goes in and out. My product journey is very niche specific, and I'm very typical about few things. I take up few things in a different way. Data is like brain food to me. You show me numbers and I'll be the happiest one. People crib about numbers, but it's something different for me. So now the thing is that when we come up to the product perspective from that, what fascinated me is how are these things occurring? Basically, being a product manager, what you'll be doing, you'll not just be curating, you'll not just be thinking, you'll not just be designing. Rather, you'll be working with 18 different departments. So it's all experiences, small ones, bigger ones. But yeah, ultimately it led me to a point wherein I wanted to discover, why am I building this? Whom am I building this for? Who is going through all those mentalities, the psychography that you do with the customer? It's your product manager, it's your product team, it's your project team as well. Because when you look at across the entire product delivery cycle or the project management life cycle, from the beginning, from the inception to delivery, it's all a game. What am I doing wrong? Or how can I improve? That's one thing that only a person who has experience, who is in the industry and is looking across products can give me. That's the first one. Second one is the one-on-one mentor connect. Okay, like I connected with Sai sir over here. I also connected with Muthu sir, who is from Google. We also connect with Sati sir, who is our GTM expert. The way they nurture us, the way they for them we are not like students. For them we are like their fellow engineers, their fellow co-mates whom they want to bring up or pull up to where they are with the thoughts that they have. So that connect that I had is what I feel is the best that you can get in IPM. If I give you a book on that particular topic and I ask you to read a book of 1200 pages, and once you complete that book, your chain of thought will change when you're writing the essay again. Because before, your thoughts were free, they were not structured. Though you'll be able to write very pleasant essay, but you never know what is the chronology of the same. Similar was my case. And these were few grave mistakes that I've got done through my product journey, and it got corrected, and I understood that as the journey went across. It's not when you do it, you'll never know it, and that's the fun part of it. So give its own time, nurture it, live what you're doing, and that way, that's the most hilarious part. Even the professors, they'll, while explaining your mistakes to you, they'll be like, why did this come to your head? And I'll be like, okay, this shouldn't be coming to my head next time. They'll be like, no, this is what the path is. And that's the most hilarious part that you can call. And the cohort members whom we are working with, see, when you're building a team, when you're working with a team week on week, it's pressurized. You're working, then you're building capstones, you're building skillathon PPTs, talentathon PPTs, you are getting interviewed, you are getting into different stuff. All this builds your perspective, builds your character on the whole, because all of this is what you're going to face in the real life. So as we say over here, learning by doing, we actually do it, and that's the best part that I can find. The way you think, may it be a developer, may it be a designer, may it be a product person, may it be a project person, there are different execution points that you can have, but what works the best, and to figure out that what's the thinking that has gone through you, that is going to change everything. It takes time. Allow it, give it the time to germinate, give it the time to nurture, and it will give you the output finally.